Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade with lemon zest. Start with fresh lemons, about 4 to 6, for the best flavor. Carefully zest them using a microplane or a fine grater. Remember, you only want the bright yellow part, not the bitter white pith underneath. This step is crucial for infusing your lemonade with a deep, aromatic lemon essence. Aim for about 2 tablespoons of fragrant zest to really elevate your drink. Next, we'll create a zest-infused simple syrup. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Add your 2 tablespoons of lemon zest to this mixture. Heat it gently, stirring constantly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Then, remove it from the heat and let it steep for at least 30 minutes. This allows the zest to release its wonderful oils and flavor into the syrup. While your syrup is steeping, juice those zested lemons. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Once the syrup has cooled and infused, strain out the zest to ensure a smooth lemonade. Now, combine your strained simple syrup with the fresh lemon juice. Finally, add 3 to 4 cups of cold water, depending on how strong you like your lemonade. Give it a good stir. Before serving, give your lemonade a taste. You can always add a little more water for less tartness, or a touch more simple syrup for extra sweetness. Once perfected, chill your lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve it over ice, perhaps with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Enjoy your wonderfully refreshing, homemade lemonade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.